And then again, this is going to be our capture page link. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight that. You're going to enter your capture page link here. I'm going to go ahead and enter mine. And again, your capture page link is, we set this up in the previous videos. This is what it's going to look like, of course. So went ahead and hyperlinked to that page. We're going to go ahead and delete this text right here. Anytime there's brackets, you guys want to delete and replace, right? And if you start to see, for example, like in my latest email, you start to see these links here, you know exactly where you need to hyperlink. So you just remove those links and replace them with yours, right? Once you copy and paste them into My Lead Gen Secret. So we are good to go. We'll click on perfect timing. Let me just double check. This is the right link. Cool, everything looks good. And now let me just change the spacing here and we'll go ahead and send the email.